MYFAMILYTAXI, and today I'm going to show you how to cook traditional tandoor chicken in the oven. Tandoor chicken is basically chicken marinated with natural yogurt and spices and cooked in a traditional tandoor, which is a cylindrical clay oven, and in the modern days we are using a normal oven to cook the tandoor chicken. Tandoori chicken is quite popular in Indian subcontinent, also in many parts of the world. Even today, tandoor chicken is cooked in the cylindrical clay oven in many of the restaurants. And since I'm cooking at home, I'm going to show you how it's done in the normal oven. Now I'm going to quickly run through the ingredients, what is needed to make this beautiful recipe, and I also mentioned in the description area. I have taken 5 chicken thighs for this recipe, and I've made few slits on the top of the chicken thighs for the marination to get in evenly. And I have a spoonful of chili powder and a spoonful of Tandoori Masala, which you can get in any grocery stores. And I have taken some Garam Masala. And then comes the coriander powder. And there's Cumin powder, ground pepper, and 2 spoonfuls of natural yogurt. And a spoonful of ginger garlic paste. And I've taken some olive oil. And I have 1 lemon juice. And some salt to taste. Now I'm going to show you how exactly tandoori chicken is done. Normally they use artificial color to give the richness to the tandoor chicken, but I'm not going to use any artificial colors today. I've taken the chicken thighs in a bowl here. I'm just going to add in the lemon juice. Then comes the ground pepper. Then comes the salt. Comes the chili powder and the tandoor masala. And I've taken some coriander powder. Then comes the cumin powder. Then comes the garam masala. And the natural yogurt. And comes the ginger garlic paste. And finally comes the olive oil. Now I'm going to mix it all up. All the spices, yogurt, and the ginger garlic paste. Everything together. Now I've marinated the chicken with all the spices. I'm going to cover it with a clean film. I'm going to leave it for about 2 hours. And if you're having a party or something, you can marinate the chicken the same way and leave it in the fridge overnight to cook for the following day. It's been 2 hours since the marination, so I'm just going to open them. And I have the tray ready here. I'm just going to line them up. It's going to take roughly about 40 minutes, but I'm going to leave it on one side for about 20 minutes or so, and then I'm going to check and turn on the other side to cook evenly. I have preheated the oven for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to put it in to cook. It's been 20 minutes now. I'm going to open the oven and turn the chicken onto the other side. It's well cooked on one side. I'm just going to turn them nice and slowly. I'm going to leave it back in the oven for about another 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 45 minutes. It's well done. I'm just going to get the tray out. Look at the color. Wow. Now I have two special guests to taste my recipe. How is it?
Give me. Really good. Give me. So good.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe to My Family Taxi for more episodes. Bye.